Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Nokia 9 PureView, the world's first phone with a Penta lens camera system, has been launched by HMD Global. The company is using 12 MP sensors with 3 monochromatic and 2 RGB sensors at the back. The flagship sports 2K OLED display without a notch and is powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. This is an Android One phone with 2 years of software updates promised. In addition, the phone has IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The phone does not come cheap as it is priced at $699 and will be available in March.